In this video, I'll show you how to quickly save time creating or adding captions to your social media videos in Descript Storyboard. Now, this is super simple, and what we're going to be using templates. I've already created this particular video, but I did this manually. So what I'm going to do is click on this and create composition from file, and this is going to create a new project. So we've got this particular project right inside here with the different changes that we've made. But we may need to kind of like cut out this particular section, change this to select to, delete this, and probably the ending right about here. You can also hold here, pull back, non-destructive, kind of pull back of that. You can also do that right about here. So we've got our video in landscape. What we might need to do is just go to templates, and then from the template section here, you've got your templates, and then there's the gallery. So what we can do, we can see what we've got right here. This looks like something that we can use. Let's say just drag this and put it right there. It's going to apply the template, and once it's done, it's going to say match orientation so that it converts our video into a vertical video. I can click on this, crop, and then I'm going to move my video right about there, and then I can play this. In this video, I'll show you how to add cut. So it has kind of like a title right here, and then it's got the captions right about down here. So if we look at this and play this now, I'll show you how to add captions to your social media videos, TikToks, Reels, super fast using Descript. We're going to be adding emojis, capitalizing certain words that you like to do, that you like to capitalize. So we may need to remove this. Just some few edits, backspace or delete. That you like to capitalize, the Alex emoji style, and everything that you like to see. Stick around to the end. I'll show you how to make this super fast. Thanks for watching, and let's begin. So using templates can help you create your social media videos with captions super fast. That's actually one of the templates, and that's the vertical template, if that's what you're looking for. But there's a dedicated captions template that you can use. There are about 15 at the time of recording this video, but you can always see what you can do with everything that is available. But that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.